Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain a little about Airflow ignore file in Apache Airflow. So it's very similar to git ignore, only for Airflow. So first we need to create it inside the dag folder. New file. It starts with dot. Then inside the file we need to specify the path that we want to ignore. For example, test path to ignore. You can use two types of syntax in this file. The basic one, that is blob, no, or the another one that is regex. In this video we will be using the blob because it's easier and it the same as in git ignore file. So using this glob syntax, you can declare, for example, now the asterisk matches any character except the symbol, the bar. For example, the question marks represent any single character. Now, if you want to know more about the glob syntax, you can search something like glob syntax in Google. So we want to ignore all files inside this path. So let's create this folder. And inside this folder, we will create a new file. Test. Inside this file, we will just copy this dag and we will rename it like dag 222. Okay, so we have this new dag inside this path. Now let's first remove this and see if the airflow will pick up the changes and will show this new dag in our list. We go to the dags. All. Now dag. Sometimes it can take like 5 minutes to Airflow to pick up a new file, but generally it's only 30 seconds. So now we can see one error in this dag. So let's fix this. Save and refresh. So now we can see this dag. Now let's go to the ignore file and restore this. So now Apache Airflow should ignore all dags inside this folder. Let's save it. Wait a little. Go to the dags. Let's refresh the page. So it took a few minutes, and now we can see that dag 222 doesn't show it because we added this path. So don't worry if something that you change in Apache Airflow doesn't work, because sometimes it takes few minutes to show new changes in the website or in the code. Sometimes you think that your changes didn't resolve the error, but then after a few minutes you understand that you just need to wait a little, and then Airflow will update the code and the UI. For example, then if we want to ignore just only one file, like this test.p, we can do like this. No, or if you have many test files, like test1, test2, test3, you can use this question mark. So this syntax will ignore all the files that have the number after the word test. And that is how you use the Airflow ignore in Apache Airflow. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.